Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and we are in my kitchen right now and I'm in my workout clothes because I just finished working out. I will actually link the video that I did because my brother-in-law just introduced me to Mad Fit, who is a YouTuber. So you could just, you know, work out for free at home and it's awesome. I did a booty one that was awesome. So anyway, why I'm actually here is to talk to you about Smoothie Box. Now I did do a Smoothie Box review when they first launched. I don't remember, was that last summer? The summer before? Anyway, I've been getting Smoothie Box for a long time. They're the sister company to Butcher Box, which I also get and love. The first one being a new flavor. So I have this berry flavor, which I actually really love. If you watched my original video, I love the chocolate one, I love the clementine, cannot stand the green one. And a lot of people commented that green is their favorite. I thought it was disgusting, but you know, each to his own, right? So anyway, I love the berry flavor, their new flavor, which is great. And another new thing that they started doing is they're selling their collagen packets separately, which I think is genius because the collagen packets are not vegan. So if you want a vegan or vegetarian option, then just, you know, don't get these particular collagen packets. You can get your own protein powder or whatever, and you can still get these awesome packages of frozen fruits and vegetables, seeds. That was one of the reasons that I stayed with Smoothie Box, was because when I was making my own smoothies at home, I never made them as well as these. You know, I never added nuts or seeds. Rarely did I add vegetables, you know, so I love that it has so much packed into this, and I think they're really good without being overly sweet too. This does, I mean, it has 19 sugars in it, but it has 0 added sugars. So all of those sugars are coming from the natural fruits and veggies and stuff. So anyway, I'm going to make mine today. I'm going to use my Ninja blender. This blender is awesome, but there are two things that I hate about it. One, it's heinously loud. The other is that the big part has these incredible sharp edges that I'm afraid to use. But I love that it has these individual smoothie cups, and this is the perfect size for my Smoothie Box smoothies. And Colin makes himself smoothies using this too. He doesn't use the Smoothie Box ones, he just uses like fruit and juice, because that's Colin. So on the back of the bag, it does have recommended liquids, water or almond milk. I'm actually going to use half coconut water. This is the Zyko one, which has less sugar than most of the other brands, and it tastes less syrupy. Coconut water has a lot of like potassium and electrolytes. It can be extra hydrating, so especially if you've been sweating a lot, it's good to get that in there without the added sugars and stuff that you would get from like Gatorade. And then half almond milk. I always get the unsweetened original. So I fill this up to just about 8 ounces. I went a little bit over, but no big deal. And then I'm going to add my Smoothie Box bag here. I don't know, let's see if I can kind of show you, like you can see the chunks of fruits and vegetables. I mean, like this is cauliflower and some strawberries and I don't know what that is, maybe sweet potato or something. And then I will add the collagen peptide packet. So this is 73 calories and 18 grams of protein, but you know, obviously it does have the collagen, which is good for lots of things, but it is derived from cows. So, you know, like I said, not vegetarian. I do wonder if they will come out with a vegan option for their protein packets now that they're selling them separately. I feel like that would be the next step. Okay, so the best thing about this blender is that you can actually suck the air out of it. Easy peasy. And what that does is it keeps your smoothies from getting frothy. Do you guys ever get that? That was one of the things that really bugged me. It's like sometimes my smoothies came out great, sometimes they were so frothy that I didn't even want to drink them. So that collagen powder can kind of stick to the sides, so I'm just trying to like shake it up to make sure it doesn't stick. Okay, ready for super crazy dumb loud? All right, purpley goodness. I actually really do love these smoothies. When I first switched to these, they were a little bit like, oh, that's not very sweet, because I was used to more of a fruit-based juice type of a smoothie that had a lot of sugar in it, I guess. And when I switched to these, it was like, oh, that's not very sweet, but I still enjoyed it. And then after like the second or third time I had one, it seemed the normal amount of sweetness, so that when I go back and I taste like one of Colin's smoothies, I'm like, ah, that's way too sweet. So it's good, it's good. Super yummy, super refreshing, perfect for after a workout, or if you're just in a hurry in the mornings. They kind of market them toward a breakfast smoothie, but I usually end up having them, you know, mid-morning, maybe even afternoon. Sometimes I even drink them for dinner. I know that's not like 180 calories for dinner, that's not a lot. But like on jujitsu days, I'll have a big lunch, and then after jujitsu, I'm not ready for like a big meal. So I just have a smoothie, you know, plus it helps me cool down. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Plus, if you are interested in signing up for Smoothie Box, every month they have a new deal going on. So I think July's deal is 5 extra smoothies for life. Sometimes it's like extra collagen packets or a free cup or something. They have different deals every month. So sometimes, you know, you might want to just watch and be like, ooh, is that the deal I want? Or I ended up signing up for Butcher Box when they had the free bacon for life. So, you know, it's always the deals that get me. Anyway, I do love Smoothie Box. I've been drinking these smoothies for a long time. They're really good. That's about it. That's all I have to say. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!